Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized online forex and CFD broker that allows traders to access currency markets, commodities, indices and more. It is known for its reliable trading platform, competitive spreads and strong regulatory compliance. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, Oanda provides tools for analysis, charting and account management. So first, in order to log in, you need to open to any of the preferred web browser on your PC, Chrome, Edge, Firefox or Safari. Make sure your internet connection is stable and in the top there's an address bar. Type down oanda.com. Over here in the top right corner, we can find this login icon here. You need to navigate to this login on the Oanda homepage and type down your email and password. And after that, select to this I am a human captcha over here and simply select the captcha that is required, that is asking by the Oanda in order to log into your account. And after that, you can simply log in on the bottom here and you will be directed to your dashboard. Here you can manage your trades, view account balances, access analysis tools and explore Oanda's trading features. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.